Throughout the night, snow continuing to pile up in Chicago. Millions from the Midwest to New England will be impacted by the New Year's first major snowstorm, bringing with it blizzard-like conditions and dangerously cold temperatures. Some parts could see more than a foot of snow.
It seems like it's been snowing since winter got here.
Boston already declaring a snow emergency and planning to close public schools on Friday. More than 1,000 flights canceled on New Year's Day. The massive winter storm already wreaking havoc.
Stay off the road.
More than 200 spinouts reported in Minneapolis alone as ice blankets the roads. Frigid temps complicating rescue efforts in the Twin Cities as firefighters had to be rotated in and out of the front lines of this raging apartment fire.
Our nozzles have a tendency to freeze up. We don't keep them flowing water.
In upstate New York, lake effect snow is the story. More than 2 feet of the white stuff on the ground already.
It was hard on the businesses last night because people had reservations to go out to New Year's Eve and they couldn't get out.
The deep freeze will have large parts of the country feeling temps that are well below zero.
Too cold. A bit too cold.
If you think that's cold, take a trip up north to Winnipeg, Canada, where the temps hovered around 40 below zero, colder than the surface of Mars.
This storm is something else.